Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix screen recording records black screen on iPhone in iOS 15. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset all settings. Again, reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 2. Check for screen time. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap screen time. Scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction. Tap content restrictions. Scroll down, tap screen recording. Make sure that allow is selected. Tip number 3. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap journal, the journal page. Scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Tip number 4. Force restart your iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12 and 13 Pro Max. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.